What's up, everybody? In this video, we are going to review serial communication. In the next couple videos, we'll be using serial communication as a way to send information to external programs or devices, and also receive information from external programs or devices. We have already been sending serial information in our programs. If you recall, every time we used serial.println, we are sending serial information. We are able to read this information using the serial monitor. Our goal is to read the information from other programs, like Node-RED. I should also note that you can use other programs, like Processing or Unity, to read serial information. So that means we can connect the Arduino to all sorts of different pieces of software. Start off by logging into Tinkercad using your course username. Select Circuits in the left-hand menu. You will see our basic setup circuit that we made in an earlier video. Hover over the circuit and click on the gear in the top right-hand corner. Select Duplicate. Click the name of our circuit in the top left corner and change the name to Potentiometer Serial Output. Select the potentiometer from the components and add it to the breadboard. Change the resistance of the potentiometer to 1 kilo-ohm. Connect a black wire from terminal 1 to ground and a red wire from terminal 2 to power. Connect the wiper pin to A0 on the Arduino. Next, we will add code. Click on the Code tab and ensure the text drop-down is selected. Fill out the information in the header of our code. Update the program name and description. The program name is potentiometer-serial output, and the description is a sketch where we will send the value of a potentiometer using serial communication. Declare the variables. Create variables for the pins. Type int pot pin equals A0 semicolon to define the pin for the potentiometer. Notice that the analog inputs on the Arduino have the letter A in front of them. Last, we will create a variable to hold the value of the potentiometer. Type int space pot value equals 0 semicolon. In the setup function, tell the Arduino that the potentiometer will be an input. Type pin mode, open bracket, pot pin, comma, input, close bracket, semicolon. Update the baud rate in the serial.begin to 57,600. The baud rate is the data rate in bits per second for serial data communication. Now, we will read the value of the potentiometer. In the loop function, type pot value equals analog read, open bracket, pot pin, close bracket, semicolon, to read the potentiometer as an input. Below, add serial.println, open bracket, pot value, close bracket, semicolon. Click Start Simulation and open the serial monitor. As you turn the dial, you should see the values range from 0 to 1023. To make the circuit more responsive, we can adjust the delay to a smaller number. Set your delay to 100. So you might be thinking to yourself, wait, haven't I done this before in a previous sketch? And I've already used the serial monitor, so what gives? It's what we're going to do next that is different. We'll use Node-RED to read the serial print line statements from the Arduino. At the end of this video, you should have reviewed connecting a potentiometer to an Arduino and using serial.println to send the value to the serial port.